we have the WAF Industry Best Practice Ceremony ahead lined up for all of you. And here, we honor and felicitate new innovations which were rolled out in the past 1 year, which were impactful and consistent in delivery of value and convenience. And to do the honors, may I now call on stage Mr. Pankaj Narula and Mr. Arun Malhotra along with Mr. Anuj Guglani. Sir, may I request the three of you to come forward. Oh my God, what a lovely sight. Both of them holding hands and coming together. So beautiful. Teamwork. साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना. एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर साथ ले आना, right? So somebody has tickled the funny bones in our heads now. Ready? So to begin with, let me call people from Global Assure. First most, representatives from Global Assure.
Okay, so friends, Global Assure doesn't need any introduction, and they are the preferred choice of RSA company, and you know, we are very selective at World Order Forum as to whom we take as annual partner. So Global Assure was one of the partners at IVAS, and then we also evaluated them, their innovation, and you know, a lot of industry experts also guided us on their technology capability. So stuff like they have their own vehicles for RSA towing. The vehicles are mostly brand new. They are customized, different form factors. They have mobile app. They use a lot of AI. So gradually, you know, we learned more about them. So पहले ये IVAS में बने partner, then they became global, they became an annual partner at WAF, and now they won the WAF Industry Best Practice. So it has been step by step, validation after validation. So congratulations, Team Global Assure. And I think there's a small video also, though it's a very long video, 8 minutes, but you can play for 1 minute. Balance, you can watch on WAF TV, and we can also disseminate through our news mailer coming up. 200,000 people consume it. It will go through that as well. That's a promise. So team, you can play that for a minute.
Ecosystem in India has been a fragmented space, and we know that even the most meticulously engineered machine can face an unpredictable moment on the road. RSA in India previously, and even now, is often a localized network, meaning the quality, the response time, and the professionalism could be inconsistent, a scenario no brand can afford. Additionally, the market faces unique hurdles. Severe supply and demand imbalances during peak times, the challenge of true 24/7 availability, and limited visibility regarding service arrival. We recognize and value the support of our wide network of third-party providers, many of whom have helped sustain this industry for years. However, to bring true, unparalleled standardization, we needed to drive a fundamental shift.
This voiceover, was it natural or was it AI? It was AI, but how come so many emotions were coming towards the end? I really got confused. Huh? So some really natural AI, guys, just beware. Huh? So, दो शब्द आप बोलना चाहेंगे? Thank you के अलावा?
So, on last panel, we heard Mr. Arun. Thanks for calling us Global Assure मैं हूँ ना, but I would rather say Global Assure सबका साथ सबका विकास. Now, now this is the reason why, because you know, as Nikita on the panel said and the gentleman on the previous panel said that आजकल के technicians, you know, पहले ऐसा होता था कि कार की आवाज़ सुन के पता चल जाता था कि what was the fault, but these days, you know, people would send it to the OEMs and then they will tell कि क्या fault है. But at Global Assure, we're leading with the innovations with our COCO fleet, and we are personally taking the advantage of skilling, onboarding, and training our people on the board, which is drivers, which is the mechanics, and everybody. Everybody is getting a standard form of training. There's a vendor app, there's customer chatbot, and as Nikita said, since the touch points are very lesser these days, the opportunities are very lesser these days. Thus, people like me, mostly the people, Gen Zs, millennials driving the cars these days, we want everything on our fingertips. And that is why Global Assure is leading with the change. So we would just request everybody to get in touch with us and of course partner with us. Thank you so much.
दो शब्द कहे थे मैंने, आपने तो दो वॉल्यूम कर दिया आपने तो, बट मेरी तो आंखों में आंसू आ गए. इतनी शिद्दत, इतनी डेडिकेशन.
I could be the youngest person around here, you know, in 20s. I'm sure you are all the veterans in the industry, but thanks for having us.
अब तो प्रमोशन पक्की है फिर तो. बट ग्रेट जॉब टीम. यू नो, कभी किसी एक इंसान से कुछ नहीं हुआ. इट्स ऑलवेज अ टीम, एंड क्यूडोज टू द टीम ग्लोबल एश्योर. ऐसे ही लगे रहो और हम सबका सपोर्ट जीतते रहो. थैंक यू.
Making us realize our age.
And still we're not in the rage. Thank you.